This is Archil and I welcome you all on my channel. So today's video is about the most essential institution of democracy. Yes, it's political parties. In this video, we will talk about the working of political parties and we'll also see about the most recent elections, that is Bengal elections. So without wasting time, let's start our video. First, let's see what is a political party. A political party is a group of people who come together to contest elections and hold power in the government. They argue on some policies and programs for a society with a view to promote collective good. Thus, a party is known by which part it stands for, which policies it supports, and whose interest it upholds. India has a multi-party system with recognition accorded to national, state and district level. As per the latest publication from Election Commission of India, there are 2,698 total number of parties, 8 national parties, 52 state parties and 2,638 unrecognized parties. Now we will talk what a political party do. Basically, now we are going to study its functions. First function is, parties contest election. In most democracies, elections are found mainly among the candidates put up by their political parties. In India, top party leaders choose candidates for contesting elections. Second point, parties put different policies and programs and voters choose from them. In democracies, a large number of similar opinions have to be grouped together to provide a direction in which policies can be formulated by the government. This is what parties do. Third, parties play a decisive role in making law for a country. Fourth, parties form and run government. Fifth, those parties who loses election, they play a role of opposition to the party in power by voicing different views and criticizing the government for its failures and wrong policies. Sixth, parties shape public opinion. They raise and highlight issues. Parties have lakhs of members and activists spread all over the country. Seventh, parties provide people access to government machinery and welfare schemes implemented by the government. So these are some functions that a party do. Now we will see about the Bengal elections 2021. Elections in India has its own importance. It is like a festival, and yet it is said that elections are the biggest festival of democracy. But Bengal elections 2021 was really interesting. Elections for 294-seated West Bengal Assembly held in 8 phases from March 27 to April 29. Counting of votes was on May 2nd. It was a 3-cornered fight with Trinamool Congress seeking a third-term Congress and left fronts fighting together. And BJP was hoping to make its mark on the eastern state. Results were in the favor of TMC, Trinamool Congress. However, after getting the majority, under the leadership of Mamata Banerjee, TMC established the government and again Mamata Banerjee is elected as the Chief Minister of West Bengal. In the favor of BJP in West Bengal, Prime Minister himself, Prime Minister Narendra Modi himself did a lot of rallies.
मां महिषासुर मर्दिनी ऐसे अनेक तीर्थ क्षेत्रों की इस धरती, मैं उस धरती और धरती के लोगों को प्रणाम करता हूं.
Home Minister Amit Shah, who is also called the Chanakya of country's politics, did a lot of publicity during West Bengal elections.
Particular election, and when we are talking about the first phase, second phase, third phase, and now just before the fourth phase, ministers after ministers, star campaigners after.
Yogi Adityanath, a young leader and an energetic face of BJP, who is himself is very popular leader and a successful Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, did a lot of rallies, gave a lot of speeches and slogans to establish government in Bengal.
आप बहुत, मुझे लगता है कि आपको 30 दिन का.
JP Nadda, the president of the world's most largest party, BJP, himself roamed Bengal.
और नहीं मानुष की चिंता है इस बात को गया था. माटी, मानुष.
In West Bengal, political slogans have changed over different periods, indicating a desire for change. In recent times, CPM-led Left Front after Jyoti Vashu's exit in 2001 found the election and won on the plank of a better left front. In 2021 elections, BJP invented the phrase Ashol Parivartan, which was motivated by its spectacular success after having won 18 of the 42 seats in the 2019 Lok Sabha election.
उसके परिश्रम का आधार होगा। आशोल परिवर्तन का मतलब ऐसा बंगाल जहां युवाओं को शिक्षा और रोजगार के पर्याप्त अवसर मिले।
Party insiders say, among other issues that come in the way, and the party was unable to counter the outsider campaign against it by TMC, and that the personal attacks or taunts on Mamata Banerjee, which caused them deadly, as the people in the state disliked the disrespectful approach to a sitting CM and a woman. Local BJP leaders and central leaders campaigned around the state for almost 2 months, have been targeting Mamata Banerjee, whose popularity was the main single most important element around which the TMC campaign was built. Didi or Didi taunt effects. When this popular figure was hit by state, BJP President Dilip Ghosh was asked her to show her legs wearing bermudas. Prime Minister Narendra Modi or Home Minister Amit Shah, it generated anger even among those who were not paying attention to the campaigning, said another party manager. The TMC outsider campaign against BJP seemed to have worked as the Saffron Party failed to project any leader from the state and run its entire campaign with central leaders who did not even speak Bangla and are disconnected with the social and political culture of the state.
Didi, oh Didi, oh Didi.
Senior BJP leaders like Sunil Bansal from Uttar Pradesh, Chandrasekhar from Rajasthan, Pawan Bansal and Ratnakar had been posted in the state to take care of various reasons and provide feedback from the ground, on the basis of which tickets were to be distributed and campaign has to be designed. According to another party manager, the central leaders who had no ear to the ground were blindly listening to the new imports from TMC without verifying the facts that they were bringing to the table. This went wrong in many places. In fact, one of the main reasons for BJP's defeat was the same phase of anti-incumbency from TMC, came seeking votes wearing the saffron jersey, while TMC had already put in a fresh face in the same constituency to counter anti-incumbency at the local level. The BJP leadership will be taking stock of all the factors that were responsible in the party's defeat in West Bengal, which has high on party's agenda since it won 18 of the 42 parliamentary seats in state in 2019. Jai Shri Ram slogan's effect. It was really irritating misusing the name of Lord Shri Ram for political purpose and to tease someone. BJP leaders targeted the mob to mobilize them on the name of Lord Shri Ram. It was really most keen TRP incident when BJP leaders started teasing Mamata Banerjee by this holy slogan, Jai Shri Ram. So from this, we may conclude the reasons why BJP lost the elections are as follows. First, the speeches had nothing new and the promises sounded hollow. Second, there was no popular leader for election. The leaders who were contesting the election even didn't know how to speak Bangla and are disconnected with the social and political culture of the state. Third, BJP leaders criticizes the opposition in their speeches, especially Mamata Banerjee, in wrong ways. As India grapples with the world's most destructive COVID-19 outbreak, one factor that experts are identifying in the spread of disease is unchecked mass gathering. A key example is West Bengal Assembly elections. Conducted in 8 phases, these are the longest state elections India has seen. The course of the election has seen the COVID-19 spread in the state. The result of this is that West Bengal has the highest COVID-19 growth rate of any state in India at present. There is no doubt that the election process led to the spread of corona in West Bengal. As a result, TMC won the election by 2/3 majority. Not only they crossed the margin of 200 seats, but this time their performance was also better than last Bengal election. So that's all from my side. Thank you for listening me. If you all enjoyed, then please like, do comment and please subscribe my channel. And yes, don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.